tayo dito. Yan, napakaganda po. Okay, nandito po tayo ngayon sa Orchard Road. Orchard Road, Singapore. Ayan guys, oh, tignan niyo po yung mga naka-display. Oh, diba ang ganda? Oh. Ayan. Ayan, oh, diba? Buti na lang po, kalalabas ko lang po galing sa OWA. Kumuha po ako ng card. OWA e-card. Ayan, tignan nyo po. Buti na lang ngayon lang ako lumabas. Okay, makabidyo tayo. Dito pa guys. Ayan. Oh. Nandito ngayon sa Orchard Road. Yeah. Yan, di po ba napakaganda? Pasyal tayo, guys. Ayan. Pasukan po natin. Baka meron na pong ano sa Takashimaya. Pasukan natin. Baka maganda po yung Christmas tree po nila dyan. Ayan guys. Nandito po tayo sa Takashimaya. The Great Christmas Tree.
Together, Mama. One ticket.
Oh, wow. Tignan nyo dyan, ayan guys, ang ganda ng Christmas. Oh, look at that. Wow. Ang ganda po ng ayos sa Christmas tree ng Yancy. Hello guys, enjoy watching. Ayan, napakaganda po ng Christmas tree nila. Oh, tingnan nyo po guys. Pasok po tayo. Pasok po tayo guys. Ayan, ang ganda o. Hindi po ba? Napakaganda. Ayan. Sana po hindi po tayo ma-CPR. Kasi ang daming music po dito. Pasok po tayo sa niyan. Wow! Ang lakas po ng music nila dito, guys. Sana hindi po tayo mas-CPR. Oh. Diba? Napakaganda. Ayan. Ang ganda. At pasok po tayo sa loob, guys. Para meron pa rin yung Christmas tree. Iba po yung nandito sa labas. Iba pa rin yung nasa loob. Kaya, tara! Gala po tayo! Ayan. Ayan guys, nandito na po tayo sa loob. Dito na po Happy Holiday! Yun, di ba ang sabi ko guys? Wow! Ang ganda! Look at that! Oh, di ba? Ang ganda! Merry Christmas to all! Ayan. Oh. Ang taas ng Christmas tree natin. Ayan. pool po. Oh. Nilagyan po ng Christmas light. Di po ba napakagandang tignan. Ayan, oh, ang dami pong tao. Today is Saturday. Oh, di ba? May nag-show pa rin din dito, guys. Oh. Christmas.
And so for many hours, the last hour of my life, I practiced soccer. I learned to juggle. With hopes that one day, I get to inspire that one of your members in the same way that I have been inspired. And here I am tonight, guys, at the Orchard, on top of this platform, about to do my grand finale. For all of you wonderful audiences. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for stopping and watching my show. Thank you so much for spending your precious time this evening. 3 miles a lot of time. But the only people who stay here are my lovely audiences, who have been clapping throughout the show. And that's why nobody's clapping right now. Thank you for the support today, guys. Ladies and gentlemen, at the end of my show, I'm gonna be putting my hand up to the friends. If you guys have loved this show, there is your cue to come forward and show something else, alright? If you guys don't know how much it is,
Ang ganda, guys. So, tignan niyo po. Christmas on the Great Street. Ayan, tignan niyo po. Hindi po ba ang ganda? Wow! Ang ganda po ng ayos dito, guys. Ayan. Yan tayo. Tingnan natin sa kabila, guys. Ayan, oh. Ay, hindi makita, guys. Ayan, oh. Ayan, oh, ang ganda. Ay, sana po, guys, hindi tayo ma-CPR. Kasi ang daming tugtog. Ang daming music.
Ladies and gentlemen, for the finale of the last trick. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you guys so much for watching the show this evening. Hope you guys enjoyed it. My name is Sahal. Have a good night here, guys. Thank you. Thank you.
Ayan po, guys, yung tanks. Ayan, ang ganda.
Hello, thank you so much.
Ayun kanina guys, oh. There. Oh, di ko ba